The popularity of modern retro-style motorcycles has continued to grow in recent years. Classic styles such as cafe racers, scramblers, and roadsters have made a strong comeback, attracting not only collectors but also younger riders. The appeal of modern retro motorcycles lies in their ability to blend vintage styling with contemporary technology, making them an ideal choice for those who want strong performance without sacrificing the timeless aesthetics of the past. Yamaha has successfully capitalized on this trend through its XSR lineup, which includes the XSR 900 and XSR 700, both derived from the MT-09 and MT-07 platforms. These models deliver a modern riding experience wrapped in eye-catching retro-inspired styling. Meanwhile, Yamaha also offers the MT-03, a lightweight and agile naked bike powered by a 321 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, making it an excellent option for beginner riders and urban commuters alike. With its responsive engine, sturdy chassis, and low weight, the MT-03 provides an ideal foundation for a classic-inspired customization project. Considering the successful transformation of the MT-09 and MT-07 into the XSR series, many enthusiasts believe Yamaha has a strong opportunity to introduce a retro-styled version of the MT-03. The motorcycle could be called the Yamaha MT-03 Cafe Racer, while another possibility is the XSR 300, positioned as an entry-level retro model for the global market. If brought to production, such a motorcycle would appeal to novice riders seeking classic styling while still benefiting from the proven technology and distinctive character of the MT family. The Yamaha MT-03 Cafe Racer design concept currently circulating online features a silhouette that is both aggressive and timeless. A bright red fuel tank combined with a round headlight and clip-on handlebars creates an authentic cafe racer appearance. The flat seat, minimalist tail section, and wire-spoke wheels further enhance the retro atmosphere without diminishing its sporty character. This design is more than mere speculation. It is an imaginative creation by renowned Italian designer Oberdan Bezzi, who is well known for reinterpreting classic motorcycle icons through elegant and sophisticated modern design concepts.